Okay, all you shark fans, this is the Stratus AZ3002 dustbin. I'm showing you the interior here. I've emptied it out as best as I could. I'll even give it a good shake just to be fair. Any remaining dust, I'm going to get out of here. And this is the NV752. You can see here the dustbin has been emptied. Doing the best. I'm filming with a Samsung Android phone here, so it does glitch sometimes when it goes in and out of focus, but I'm not going to edit this at all. There's not going to be any pausing. So I'm going to move these over here and dust off this table here. And before I do so, I wanted to show you two papers. This was purchased, the Stratos, on the 6th of August of 2024 at my Stafford, Virginia location. Paid full price, as you can see. And this is a FedEx receipt dated February 27th, 2025. Shark had sent me this brand new replacement for the one I bought in August. And I had received it on the 26th. And so the very next day, I sent back the original one that I bought in August. So that you know, this is only approximately 2 weeks old, okay? If you do the math here. Today, Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Wednesday, March 19th.
Okay, it's March 19th, 2025. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this table. Make sure there's no dust on it so that we can have a fresh start. And what this experiment is I have a set of stairs, and there's carpeting on the treads. And what I'm going to do is go over the fourth tread on my staircase. I'm going to mark it with this dirty tissue. And I'm going to go over it first with the Stratos. The Stratos has power fins, and the NV752, we already gave that a good shake. You can see it's empty. Has the traditional roller. Okay, my point of this is to show you, to prove to you that literally this is picking up only half the dirt. Okay, it's crazy. What you'll see in the dust cup is that this will pick up more dust after this machine has had the same amount of time on the staircase, on that one particular tread, number 4. Again, I'm going to mark it with this. So let's go over to my carpet lab here. And by the way, Shark is sending me now my third Stratus. Third one. Free of charge. Thank you, Shark. I know you're trying here. But the point of this is to please bring back the NV752. This is a brand new filter, being fair. This is from 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, just to give you an idea. Again, you saw the date, so it's fairly new. It's in great shape. I'm going to put this on. Notice how easily that clicked in. Now let's do this one. This is all real time, folks. Not messing around here. I'm going to put this, seat this on here. I'm going to seat this right here. I'm going to show you. That one clicked on too. No problem. Okay, that's good. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go on the 4th step, which is where I have this black sweater. I had already done these 3. I actually did a video on this 3rd step, but unfortunately I accidentally hit the reverse on it, and for a second you saw my ugly mug. So this is representing the 4th step, so you can see this in the picture. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to grab the Stratus. I'm going to make sure the setting is low pile, because low pile is indeed what this carpeting is. Wouldn't you say? Here we go. Thickness, low pile. So this is very difficult to do while I'm trying to. Okay. Okay, so it's down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. Very hard to hold my camera and vacuum at the same time. I'm going to actually put this on longer. So now we're on 5:23. Started at like 5:04. I am vacuuming long and hard, making full contact with the power pins to the staircase. Now the reason why I'm not putting the attachment on is I've owned this machine for many, many years, and I've always done my steps this way. All right, I'm going to go over it one more time just to be fun. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to notice the marks on the carpet. They're not very prominent because these are power pins. So now I'm going to turn this off. Turned it off. And now I'm going to, and you can see in the dust cup there is like a long strand of hair here. I don't know if you can see that in there. But we're going to empty this out in real time without editing, okay? Fair and square. So I'm going to actually put this NV752 probably half the amount of time as what I did the AZ3002. So I'm going to lean it back, make sure this is on the right setting. It's going to be on the low pile once again. It's on low pile. You can hear the brush lifting it up. I'm now sticking it on here. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. I am not even going to leave this on. I'm not even vacuuming right. I'm kind of going off. I'm not making real good contact here. But this is the idea, okay? All right. Now, as you can see, look at the amount of dust. Look at that. All right. I think that's about right. Okay? After all the amount of time I spent on this 4th tread, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You shouldn't see any dust in this. Turning it off. Now I'm going to take the dust cups off, both machines. Here's the first one, the NV. Again, this picked up the dirt left over from this one. Gonna release it. Oh, it's hard with one hand here. Okay, we got both of them. Now I'm gonna take them back over to my newly cleaned tabletop that's solid black to hopefully show what this really expensive machine left behind by what this one will dump out. So let's dump this first and we're going to compare the piles, okay? This is pile number 1. Let's go from the bottom, shall we? Okay, we're going to empty this out. Whoops. What's going on? Okay, sorry, came out of focus here. Here we go. Again, this is very difficult to do because I'm a one-person show here. Okay, so this is what came out. Okay? Again, this one did it first, the Shark Stratos. So this is dust pile 1. Let's really give it a shake. Okay, I'm really shaking it here. Okay. Now this is the NV752. Going to empty it. Hold on. It's very difficult to do with holding this. Let's start it from the bottom first. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Look what comes out. Okay, so I'm going to do it from the top too. Whoops.